I found another cool watch on eBay. This is Casio TRW-20. I paid £16 for it on eBay, and as you can see, it's not in a great condition. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like someone tried to modify it and they didn't do a great job. There's no lettering, the strap is not original, and the faceplate is missing. Fortunately, I managed to find a replacement case. Let's get to work. Both cases were in similar condition, and this faceplate is kind of hard to remove, so I chose the replacement one. Of course it has some scratches, so the first thing to do is to remove them. I started with 1000 grit and then moved to 3000. Then I used Polywatch with cotton pad and noticed this strange mark on the crystal. I don't exactly know what happened, but my best guess is that the case is a little bent in the middle, and because of this, sanding face down on a flat surface it's not going to work. So instead I did this. When the mark was gone, I used Polywatch again, but I still could see some tiny scratches. So I used some more Polywatch and a good old carpet to buff them out. There was some lettering left, so I removed it with alcohol and cotton pad. Finally, I put a new strap on and it's all done. Besides the looks, the coolest thing about this watch is that it can calculate average speed. As you can see, this man averaged around 16 miles per hour in 100-meter dash backwards. You're welcome. That's it, thanks for watching, smash those like buttons and stay safe.